I told him today it's legal now in Ohio. I said, go get you a prescription. They legalized it last week. $45. All you had to do was let it out. They look here. That's why she takes care of my arm. It's illegal. I'm risking my life. Yeah. Prescription. I'll be hooked up. He'll take care of it. And then my case will just take my state loves it's on because of marijuana. We doing what it should be. Yeah, they said you can't smoke it, you can't grow it. You can get it in candy.
You all right?
Yeah. No, you can't smoke it.
Good.
But in Ohio now, David's best. You get liquid, everything but smoking.